What's going on, growers? It's James Prigioni coming to you live from Jersey. Right now I'm just hanging out in my backyard in a typical suburban neighborhood. 7 years ago, where I'm at now, it was just like an average lawn. Now I'm surrounded by food. It went from an average lawn to a food forest. This here is beyond organic gardening. This, suburban permaculture. Let's go! If you've seen some of my previous videos, this is about the time I'd walk through, explain some of the things I'm doing, talk about the different kinds of plants in here, and just give you an overall concept of the design, because this is all a design. Everything in here has a purpose, and most of it has multiple purposes. And that's one of the ideas in permaculture, the multifunctionality. But today I don't want to really clog things up with my words too much. I want to let the plants and the forest do the talking. I hope you guys enjoy.
Hermit crabs and cowrie shells crush beneath his feet as he comes toward you. He's waving a shoe, lift him up to see what you can see as he begins his focusing. He's aiming a shoe. Now he has cutaways from memories and close-ups of anything that he has seen or even dreamed. And now he's finished focusing. He's imagining lightning striking seasickness away from here. Look who's laughing now that you wasted how many years, and you've barely even tasted anything remotely close to everything you've boasted about. Look who's crying now.
One of my favorite things about gardening, and especially like this in a food forest, is that it's always changing. The face of the forest is always different. There's different fruits coming in, different flowers blooming, and to me that makes it really exciting and a lot of fun. But there's something I wanted to mention and talk about a little bit. Some of you have said in the comments how you don't know what to do because you want to be part of this movement, but you don't have a space to grow, you don't even have a porch. That's fine, that's not a big deal. A big part of this and being part of this movement is voting with your dollars, buying organic at the food store. You might think that's not a big deal, but in my opinion, we should be buying organic, because if we're not buying it, who else is going to buy it? If we don't buy it, our kids and the next generation and other people won't have the opportunity to buy it. So we got to make sure we're voting with our dollars, voting with our lawns, and with our minds.
Driftwood floats after years of erosion. Incoming tide touches roots to expose them. Quicksand steals my shoes. Clouds bring the F-star blues. Look who's laughing now that you wasted how many years, and you've barely even tasted anything remotely close to everything you posted about. Look who's crying now. Look who's crying now.
sun come up. Time to get away from here. Time to make a new plan up again. Water never felt this good. Air it never felt so pure. Time to make a new plan up again. Well, I want more. I'll start what I came here for. And all I really want is to be free. Cold to warm. Start what I came here for. And all I really want is to be free.
Spring is almost over here and we're headed into summer. A time of year like this, I try to just take a step back and enjoy the forest, enjoy the garden, and enjoy all the investments we put in. That's something I encourage you guys to do, because I know myself in previous years, I've got caught up in trying to produce so much and trying to get so much done, which I want to do, but I also want to make sure I'm enjoying it, because this is my passion, gardening. I don't do it for any other reason, mainly besides the fact that I love it. So something that always makes me have a lot of fun is when I get Tuck in here. Let me get him in here and we'll have a good time. Come on, boy. One thing I didn't realize when I first started gardening is how many lessons I'd learned, even from Tuck. He teaches me every day. And we have such a blast in here. I want to bring you along for it.
Now that I've come this far, never looking back, no. Time to make a new plan up again. Things have never looked this clear. I'm never looking back, no. Time to make a new plan up again. I want more. I'll start what I came here for. And all I really want is to be free. Cold to warm. Start what I came here for. And all I really want is to be free.
That's today's video, growers. Thanks for watching. Me and Tuck had a blast making this one. If you enjoyed it, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and ring that notification bell. Check us out on Steam It too, because we're always posted on there. And we'll come back with another video real shortly. Maybe give you a taste of the new food forest too. James Prigioni and Tuck are out.